Hello everyone! Welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I will be painting this rose and anemone arrangement. I'm using Winsor Newton Professional Watercolor Paint, Fabriano Cold Press Watercolor Paper, my Princeton Round Size 8 brush, my Princeton Round Size 0 brush, and a mini detail brush. I will leave links to all the colors and supplies I'm using down in the description box below if you want to check those out. First, I'm placing the base flowers where I want them to go. I'm starting with this peach rose and then moving on to my blue anemone. The beauty about painting flowers is I can make them any color I want. I know there aren't many flowers in nature that are naturally blue, but it's one of my favorite colors and I reach for it all the time. I'm not too worried about how these are looking right now. I just want to get my paint down on the paper, and then once this layer is dry, I'll go back in and add my finishing details. I like to start out my composition with the focal flowers and then go back in and add my filler flowers and then greenery later to help round out any mistakes I may have made along the way. I've added these berries to tie in that warm peachy red color without adding another big focal flower. Next, I'm adding in the leaves. I'm starting in clusters of 3 and I'll go back in and add more where I feel like the composition needs them. Someone the other day asked me how I figure out where things will go in my painting, and since I've been painting for a while, I normally will just wing it, but sometimes something else that helps me when I'm feeling stuck is I sketch out an idea on a scratch piece of paper and then I use that as a reference while I paint. And that can be really helpful while you're learning to paint flowers. Next, I'm going in and adding the darker blue lines. I've also painted in some darker areas on the petals where my petal may have curled up, so you can see the underside of the petal. I'm now using my tiny detail brush for the details on these leaves. I love the way the little lines just finish off the painting. Next, I'm darkening the center of my rose by painting a darker center and then rinsing out my brush and using the plain water to blend it out to the rest of the rose. I'll finish the blue anemone off with the centers and then finish the leaves that were still drying, and then I'll be done with this painting. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you follow this tutorial and post a picture on Instagram, please tag me over at Snowberry Design Co. I love to see what you guys are creating. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button. I post a new calligraphy video every Monday and a new watercolor video every Wednesday. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to leave a comment down below. I love questions and I love requests for future videos, so send them my way. I also wanted to let you guys know about my online beginner watercolor floral course that will be released in April 2018. I've been working really hard on this course and I'm really excited for you guys to check it out. I have a waitlist for the course that you can join so that you won't miss anything. And I'll leave a link down in the description box below if you're interested in that. Thanks again for watching. Bye!